drop it does. And Germany on Luis Gustavo, but here's Marcelo. Here's Marcelo's left-footed shot. Muller in there as well. And he goes back post, it's in! And Germany lead Muller. Thomas Muller from the corner puts Germany in front. Miroslav Klose. Klose looking to play in. Muller will get a shot away. It was a shot in the end, but Toni Kroos here. Kroos through the legs back into Muller. Muller, Klose, brilliant save. Klose scores. Historic goal. Germany 2, Brazil 0, and Miroslav Klose is the all-time World Cup record. Lahm in all kinds of space. Lahm, Muller through. Muller could be embarrassing. It's 3. Toni Kroos. Brazil have fallen apart inside 25 minutes. And it's getting embarrassing. It could be 4. It's turned square. Kroos. It's 4-0 to Germany. After 25 minutes, Fernandinho caught in possession. Brazil are being humiliated. Humble. It might be through again here. Khedira. Ozil. Khedira. 5-0. 5-0. Absolute humiliation.
Yeah, so me, I say, yo, Germany to the world. Straight. Germany. Yeah. So, big up all of the Germany fans them. Yeah, I'm gonna put all my hope and trust in Germany. You see me? Yeah, we mean that they may go through again and win this cup here. Yeah, whether them drop out or so, which for that. But Germany have good side. All of them have to do is stand up, play strong and play smart like how them play last time. No matter who them buck up. Germany to the world. You see me, because no people are bring Argentina, Italy, Brazil. Everybody couldn't be on the same side. You see what I say? But Germany on my side from a long time. Everybody know that. Everybody will know me knows that Germany me bring. You see what I say? Straight. Yeah. So Germany to the world. Straight. You see what I say? Yeah. They are listen to the match where they play last World Cup. Where they get 7. You see me I say? So I they are free. You see what I say?
Very comfortable for Neuer when Muller goes central. Oh, given away badly. Muller around the goalkeeper. Julio Cesar manages to get a foot on it and put it behind for a corner kick. Thomas Muller. Oh, clever disguise on that Schürrle into Muller. Muller shot, good save by Julio Cesar. Top play there. Now can tee up Marcelo here. Thinks about it. Looks for Paulinho. Mertesacker's header. Oh, and almost onto the chest of Fred, but the offside flag was up. And had Fred got a touch on it, it wouldn't have. 3 in the middle. Khedira. Lovely ball into Lahm. Lahm square, and it's a tap in for 6. And Andre Schürrle makes it 6 to Germany. And it. Bernard finds William. Curler as well wide, and this has been such a happy hunting ground. It's a lovely little reverse ball. Schürrle! Oh! Andre Schürrle! It's 7! Sterling. Highlights of the second semi-final.